Hi there, I'm Deborah from the Customer Success team here at Hubflo. And today I'm going to show you a quick but powerful update to our Forms feature, Hubflo Custom Fields. Let's dive in. When you're building a form, just click Add a new question and choose the type, Hubflo Field. You'll then pick whether the field should connect to the contact or the company, and select the specific field, whether it's a native one like phone or a custom field like LinkedIn profile or a custom date. Then, just customize the label to match your tone or use case. If your client is logged into the client portal, their data will be out of field in the form based on what's already in your CRM. They can still update those fields if needed, and when they submit, your CRM gets updated automatically. Now, if they're not logged in, the form won't be pre-filled. But if they enter their email and it matches an existing contact, their data will still sync after submission. Magic. You can link both native and custom fields, but remember, only text and data fields are supported for now. Some examples are contact fields, things like name, phone, LinkedIn profile. Company fields are things like website, registration number, custom fields. And that's it. You're all set to use Hubflo Fields and keep your data clean, connected, and up to date without lifting a finger. If you still have questions, check out our Help Center or reach out to us anytime. We're always happy to help. Happy form building!